Hello everyone, myself is Dr. Mohammad Fahim, Associate Professor at Chemistry Division, ERA University. As I have expertise in the natural product chemistry, therefore from today I will start a short lecture series which is totally based on the natural products and natural product chemistry. Now let's come at the introduction. Natural product chemistry bridges the biology and organic chemistry, focusing on the isolation, structure elucidation, synthesis, and biological evolution of biologically active molecules. These bioactive molecules serve as major drug leads, which gives the inspiration to us for synthetic methods because they have complex architectures. These bioactive molecules have complex structure. You can see here some structures of these molecules. They are very complex. Various biological activities. These molecules show a lot of biological activities such as antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-cancer. They show detoxification effect. They also support the immune system. They show cardiovascular and neuroprotection properties. Sources. There are many sources to obtain the bioactive compounds: plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and other microbes. Bioactive compounds isolated from plants are also termed as plant-derived compounds or secondary metabolites or phytochemicals. Although there are so many classes of secondary metabolites which are obtained the plants, but here we present the some major classes of these compounds. First one is the terpenoids. Terpenoids originate from different combination of isoprene units. Some examples are menthol, limonene, beta-carotene. Terpenoids have a lot of therapeutic effects such as anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, antimicrobial, and immunomodulatory effects. Polyphenols. Polyphenols are the major classes of compounds obtained from the plants. Some important classes of polyphenols are flavonoids, stilbenes, and phenolic acids. These molecules have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, cardioprotection, neuroprotection properties, as well as they modulate the cellular signaling pathways. Steroids. Plant steroids are also similar to the animal steroids. Some classes of plant steroids are brasinosteroids. They are also known as the plant hormones, phytosterols, as well as the steroidal saponins. They show a lot of therapeutic effects like anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer, and cardiovascular effects. Polyketides. Polyketides are a type of flavonoids, anthraquinones, and microlides. They have therapeutic effects like anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancers, and antimicrobial. Alkaloids. Alkaloids are also very important plant-derived compounds. They are heterocyclic organic compounds like isoquinoline alkaloids, indole alkaloids, pyridine, and other alkaloids also. They show powerful analgesic, anti-cancer, anti-malarial, antimicrobial, and cardiovascular effects. For the more information based on the natural product chemistry, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.